Hello guys, today I'm going to be sharing a little bit about what I've learned with the note-taking software Evernote. So the first thing to note, pun intended, is that there's this big green button to add a new note. If you want to add a note, just as in Google Drive, you press the big green button, you're able to add text, links, downloads, add clippings, pictures, basically any function that you could really need. You can also add shortcuts. So what you'll see is that you have notebooks, and then within the notebooks you can add notes. I've added notes within my EDCI theme notebook. I have 4 notes within here, as well as in my, going back to notebooks, as well as in my miscellaneous reminders notebook. So going to my EDCI theme notebook, you can see that I have this article clipping from a scholarly journal article, and as you can see, I've got some funky looking notations that I took on this, and what I did to do that was I clicked on this little lowercase a with the circle around it, and you get all these options to edit. You can highlight, you can add notification bubbles, you can do all sorts of things. You can circle things, all that jazz, and then when you exit out, it will save your editing. Yeah, another thing that you can do is you can insert links to YouTube videos. You can insert images that may be helpful for you. Here I've also included my theme statement, and of course you can do just regular text notes like an annotated bibliography, for example. So yeah, those are all of the main functions.